Hey YouTubers, Darren here from Grass Ranch Garage. Hey YouTube, Darren here from Grass Ranch Garage with another tech tip. If you're cranking your lawnmower over and it's cranking over slow, check your battery cables, and if you check them and your negative cable is hot, then you've got a bad ground. This undersized wire was put on by someone else who worked on this mower previously, and as you can see, I've replaced it with a larger 6-gauge wire. Also, these older MTDs had a secondary ground wire, a grounding strap from the engine to the frame. I've got this one hooked up here right now. It's too long. I'm going to put a shorter one on, but make sure the connections on this cable as well are clean. I'm Darren with Grass Ranch Garage, and this has been your tech tip.